legislators, how many more are we talking about here that he can implicate or that he will duplicate down the line?
Kung ako po yung tatanungin nyo, alam ko merong 6 na senador eh.
Dagdag pa yon. Hindi to
6
total.
po yung senador. Sa mga dokumento
Incumbent po yon. Incumbent. Incumbent ba, Senator?
Meron pong 2 na hindi incumbent. Yung 2 po ex.
So
Ngayon,
6.
2 congressmen naman po, at least from what I had been shown initially, the list can actually be longer because Bryce said that there are more inside that computer. Lumabas na yung pangalan ni Minister ko, lumabas na yung pangalan ni Mitch Kahayon, meron pa pong mga iba. Meron pa po.
Mga ilang kaya? Mga ilang?
Sir, ballpark,
Si Feldstar po lumabas na.
May isang dosena pa kaya? May isang dosena pa kaya, Congressman?
Parang kabaran eh. No?
Hindi siguro I don't think so. Then, you have to understand guys that this is only one district, meaning
Yes, sir.
Bulacan district. So in other words, there is always, may nagtatanong sa akin, bakit wala si Cheese? And my answer to that is, I'm almost sure, probably hindi ma-mention si Cheese simply because walang insertion doon. Si
Sa Bulacan.
Escudero, wala doon. Hindi ko sinasabi na wala siyang insertion somewhere else. Pero ito, at least insofar as Bulacan 1st District is concerned, ito lamang mga talagang involved. So, merong initials lang kasi. Yung initials doon sa, na makikita mo talaga kung sino yung proponent. And up to now, I haven't really extracted from Bryce who are the personalities corresponding to the initials.